Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can make your Lookyi social network app private. Okay, so it's really short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. You can see the profile page right bottom corner on the screen. So I'm gonna click profile, and once I click profile, then I'll see the three line option top right corner on my screen, like this one. So click three line, once I click three line, then I have to click again settings, then click profile settings, the first option, and then you can see the option private profile, this one. Okay, so simply it's not turn on, simply click turn off, and this said your profile content will be available only for your followers. Then okay, then now it's a private profile. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching the video.